G'day folks, it's Robert from Outback Equipment. Today you're joined with our next install of our TINNY series, where we're installing a brand new deluxe Ocean South folding seat and boat's seat swivel. Alright, so this particular seat, in terms of dimensions, we've got 500 deep, and that's including when the chair is folded out, 410mm wide, and standing up height of 415mm. So the option of this particular seat does come in a different range of colours. We've chosen the grey and the dark charcoal grey. So one of the great reasons we've chosen this particular seat, folding, so forward and backwards, so great when storing it. These do have the option of coming in basically and purchasing an additional cover. So you do have the option of leaving it in the TINNY too. So why we've chosen this, I've had it previously in my boat, it's super comfy. The upholstery is a UV resistant marine vinyl, means you're not going to burn your tukish in summer. With our seat install, we've chosen the TINNY Swivel. Being 360, move and swivel the seat around. Also given the ability to have a quick release mount, given the option of fishing anywhere from the boat. So prior to install, it is probably best to basically jump in the seat. Everyone does have driving style, so I guess you want to mount the seat in a position where you're comfortable driving. The install, all we're basically requiring today is a quarters drill. With the mountings, most seats are basically a standard mount with all your brackets. So first of all, I'm just going to take these screws out. So in this particular step, we're basically positioning the bottom half of the mounting bracket to the bottom of the seat. Right, so this is for the bracket. So it would normally look like on the actual seat itself. Basically slides into that position. There is a little lever on the bottom here which engages that and clicks in, which secures the bottom half of the base of the actual seat. In reverse, and taking it off is requiring basically pushing this little lever down. A little bit tricky. Once you've got the weight on it too, it does help. So far we've done basically one screw. We've pre-drilled it, screwed in that stainless steel screw to give us an idea where the next hole is going to be drilled. So this is the particular drill bit that does come in the kit. So I've pre-drilled a point. This part's a bit messy because underneath the particular seat is styrofoam. So make sure you've got a nice vacuum cleaner or something like that. Holes screwed in now into all of our bolts. We're now basically at the step of putting the seat on. I'm half by a bit of a lining up, but it should go on there pretty simple and click on. All right, so we're all wrapped up here. Apart from the quick cleanup, the install took us about 15 minutes. Easy. Rig there was to install. Now we've got a nice comfy 360. If you've liked the video, be sure to like and subscribe. Any comments, leave a comment down below. We'll catch you in the next video.